Hello everyone. Happy morning. This is your coach Girly here in Live Good. Kumusta po ang lahat? Alright, sa ating mga viewers po, salamat sa pag-view dito sa aking live. Okay, so let me check here in my other phone if we are already live. I think it is live already. So, it's morning here, Monday, it's 6:42 a.m. So, I can live for like 10 minutes only. Let me check muna dito sa aking desktop kung nakapag-live na po ba tayo. Elevating lives. Okay. And just finish doing my live in TikTok. Okay. Ayan, so kumusta po kayong lahat? I think my live is good. Ayan, may nag-view na. So kaway-kaway po no sa ating mga viewers. Okay. Alright, so we are live. Okay guys, it's been almost 3 years already, and here in Live Good we're still doing the business and keep kicking, and we're still rocking and roll. Alright, so sa ating mga viewers, no, sa mga mommies po na naghahanap po ng online negosyo, nandito na po yung ating company, US-based company, Live Good. Okay, so Live Good company started last 2 years ago, and malapit na po tayong mag-anniversary ulit this December. Okay, and my first two favorite products here in Live Good, it's our Super Greens and Super Reds. Napakaganda po ng ating Super Greens and Super Reds. Guys, oops, sorry. Ito po ay USDA organic. Okay, so napakaganda po ng ating product. Okay, and also marami po tayong product. Meron po kaming multivitamin for men and women. Okay, we have also Vitality for Men. Napakaganda po yung Vitality for Men. Okay, as give this a gift for your husband. For mommies, we also have multivitamin for children. Organic po yan guys, it's organic. So, we have also collagen peptides. This is really nice for your hair, skin, bones, joints. Okay, and even for your teeth, no, that's gonna help. Okay, yung ultra magnesium, if you're having hard time sleeping, we have our ultra magnesium. So tinitingnan ko yung mukha ko doon sa desktop. Okay, just a minute, kaping mainit. So I have also here our chocolate whey protein. Here, napakaganda po ng ating chocolate whey protein. Masarap po yung ating chocolate protein. I-mix nyo po sa ating collagen. Now, dito po sa Live Good, you can be an affiliate. Okay? And you can have your affiliate link that you can share online, globally. So, sa mga mommies at daddies na naghahanap po ng pagkakakitaan online, okay, check my link, joingirly.com. Okay, pre-enroll. Watch the 5-minute video and pre-enroll and see the video kung gusto po ba ninyo mag-Live Good. Okay? So, sa Live Good po, you can be a member, you can be an affiliate, or you can be a customer. So, pili lang po kayo dyan. If you like to earn money, be an affiliate. Okay, join our affiliate program. Okay, I can guide you paano magsimula, no? Online. And then, you have the products. If you want to order, wala po tayong quota dito. And then, wala din po tayong i-maintain na malaking mga bundles or yung mag-buy out ka ng maraming products. So, in Live Good, guys, just maintain the $10 monthly subscription and your business is good, is running. Okay? And wala po tayong mga product purchase na monthly auto ship kung tawagin nila. Okay, so buy anytime here in Live Good. Yun pong maganda at nagustuhan ko po dito kasi I just buy my products every other month. So napaganda po ng opportunity ni Live Good. Marami na po ang nagkaroon ng negosyo online, especially po sa ating mga OFW. Napakaganda po ng ating program. Okay. So if you are an OFW, please type OFW. Okay? Yung mga OFW po, kailangan po nila magkaroon ng other income. Kasi po nakakapagod po magtrabaho, di ba po? So, i-add nyo po yung ating negosyo, no, here in Live Good. Just join and watch the 5-minute video para may idea po kayo. It's in my bio. Okay? So, and also here in my live, meron po akong link dyan na nailagay. Okay? Yung ating joingirly.com. Lagi ko po yang nilalagay dyan sa aking site. So far so good here in Live Good. We are already almost 2 million in members and growing. And a lot of people are realizing na napaka-importante po talaga ng ating health. And indeed, no, dahil ang ating panahon ngayon ay medyo tight na sa budget, nakita po natin itong si Live Good, no? Maganda po yung ating mga products, no? Especially guys sa Philippines, marami po nagkaroon ng issue sa blood pressure, no? Sa blood pressure. At ang sa Philippines kasi mahilig din sa mga matatamis, kaya marami na din ngayon nagkaroon ng mga kidney problem at yung sa liver problem, no? At saka yung mga maraming na kabataan ngayon ang nagkaroon ng diabetes. Okay? So our family has history with it, kaya ako po din ay nag-iingat na din, and I added Live Good products to help me to stay healthy. Okay? So, shout out po sa ating ka-team sa Philippines. Okay? Yung iba po, hindi nila alam na nag-live po ako. Kaya, this live is just here, no? Para makita po ng ating viewer na hindi po tayo scammer. Alright, so, just a quick live lang po, no? And a little preview po ng ating company. So, Live Good is actually in the USA, no? At ang CEO po natin ay si CEO Ben Glensky. And yung product po natin, finormulate po yan ni Dr. Ryan. Okay, Dr. Ryan is a pharmacist by profession and also it's a health practitioner. Okay, so yung asawa din niya na si Lisa Goodkin, siya po yung ating health coach. And in fact, pwede po tayong mag-message sa kanya, no? If you want her email, please message me here in my page and I can give you her email. If you have some health concerns, you can ask her. And of course, wag din niyo po ninyo i-neglect yung inyong mga doktor, okay? Kasi hindi po kami mga doktor, no? Disclaimer lang po. So, ito po mga products na ito, makakatulong lang po sa inyo to stay healthy. And later on, yung doktor po ninyo final decision kung ano na po yung mga gamot na pwede ninyong ibawas-bawasan, no? So, wala po kaming wala po kaming sinasabi na itigil nyo po lahat yung mga gamot ninyo at i-shift nyo po sa Live Good. So, ang amin lang po, i-add nyo po itong mga Live Good products para one day, no, matulungan po yung inyong katawan makarecover and yung doctor na po ninyo ang mag-suggest, no, na maybe stop this or stop that. Okay, so stay healthy po, no, sa ating mga viewers. It's been 3 years now na nandito po ako sa Live Good, and honestly po, no, maganda po yung opportunity ni Live Good, no, kahit nasa bahay ka lang, pwede kang kumita, and kumikita po ako buwan-buwan, and meron po ding weekly income dito sa Live Good. Kung kayo po ay talagang focus at nagtatrabaho kay Live Good. So far, madami na pong natulungan, no, sa mga masisipag dito sa Live Good, na dami-dami pa pong tao na hindi po nakakaalam kay Live Good. Kaya just keep sharing po your link, okay? Just log in and go to your website. To go to the websites, makikita po doon yung mga link. I-share nyo po sa social media. And just a tip po, no, sa ating mga viewers, yung mga tao po na gusto po na i-separate nila yung kanilang page, the personal page and yung business page po nila. Pwede po kayong gumawa ng business page para po to separate po your private life. Kasi may mga tao talagang ayaw nila na lahat nakikita na sa Facebook, no? Kasi talagang wala na tayong privacy, no? So, ganito din po yung ginamit ko, yung aking page, not to promote my business. I also promote in my personal page, pero dito po ako mga live ko po dito sa Facebook. Dito ko na lang inilagay dito sa aking page. So, based mommies, you're welcome to join here. Add a side hustle po, no? Kailangan na po tayo magkaroon ng extra side hustle. Kasi po, we need to help our husband also, no? Not to pay the bills. Although, kung yung husband talaga ay may marami ng pera, ay you don't need na. So, pwede po kayo maging just a user here in Live Good, stay healthy, and enjoy affordable products. Alright, so, anong oras na guys? It's 5:52 na. So, yun lang guys. I just wanna say hi to everyone, no? And I'm just showing na I'm still here, okay? And nabusy lang po, no, in the previous months. But now, I'm back to track, okay? So, just keep sharing your Live Good business, okay? And more posting po sa inyong Facebook account. Kung pwede po kayong boost, you can boost para madami pong viewers. Ganun talagang marketing guys. Kailangan talagang paramihan ng post. Kasi the more you post, the more you get chance na marami pong tao nakakakita sa inyong business. Para din tayong nagtitinda in a way. Pero nandito lang tayo sa social media. Pero ang maganda dito guys, once na nakapost na yan sa social media, 24/7 na po yan nagsiserve sa inyo, di ba po? So, yun ang maganda dito po. So, create content and share your business. At napakaganda kasi we are on timing kasi a lot of people now are getting sick, okay? So, our products is really, really in demand. At napakamura naman. Imagine guys, kung member kayo, di ba? Etong ating magnesium, you can get this for less than $10. Okay, yung ating vitamins, then, no, less than $10. Is it $10? Yeah. Mga $15 or $10. So, murang-mura po yung ating mga product, guys. Especially na itong Super Reds. Okay, yung Super Reds is just $18 for members. Napakamura na din po ito. Okay, this is really, really good for your cardiovascular health. Especially po yung mga may matataas na presyon sa dugo. Try nyo po ito. It really helps because I already tried it. I already tried it for almost 3 years. And napakaganda po sa energy. Kahit hindi na ako magkape in the morning, basta nakainom po ako ng Super Reds. Kasi, guys, ito po yung maganda yung ating mga ingredients dito. Meron itong beets, alfalfa, barley. O, diba? Merong wheatgrass, pomegranate, hawthornberry, aronia fruit extract, spinach powder, oatgrass powder, maki berry, okay, organic seed grapes extract, okay? There's a cranberry, okay? Meron cranberry, goji berry, tart cherry, raspberry seed. Oh, maganda yung mga nito ingredients. Reishi mushroom, meron pa itong ginseng, okay? Ang ginseng guys, maganda yan sa male, no? Pero actually, maganda po talaga ang ginseng sa circulation. And also, maganda din po siya sa inyong brain function. Kaya napakaganda po ng ginseng. Meron ding acai berry, cordyceps mushroom. Okay? So, napakaganda po ng ingredients ito. I highly recommend this Super Reds Organic Certified. Yung mga nagkikito, vegan, keto-friendly, gluten-free, and dairy-free pa po yung ating Super Reds. Then, i-highlight ko lang din po itong isa. No? Excuse me po. Okay, so itong isa guys, itong ating Super Greens. Napakaganda po sa digestive health. So, nakalagay po dyan, immune system support. Okay, energy recovery, stress support, and digestive support. Okay, nakita nyo guys? Organic certified. It is keto-friendly. Okay, gluten-free, dairy-free, and vegan-free. So, actually, maganda yung ating mga products kasi hindi po siya masyadong matamis. Actually, nilagyan nila konting tamis, natural na tamis no, ng monk fruit. Ito nga, yung Super Reds is, nilagay dito, total sugar is 1 gram. So, keto-friendly po talaga yung ating mga product. So, ito namang Super Greens, babasahin ko po yung ingredients. Meron po itong alfalfa, okay, wheatgrass spirulina, agave inulin, apple cider vinegar, coconut water, barley grass, oatgrass, chlorella, elderberry, matcha green tea, moringa powder, spinach powder, broccoli, blackberry, strawberry powder, raspberry, okay? And then, meron pong ashwagandha, no? Napakaganda po ng ashwagandha. Dulse powder, dulse, dandelion powder, red beet powder, ginger powder. Oh, nilagyan nila ng ginger. Kaya pala medyo sabi ko, parang may maanghang-anghang konti. Then, lion's mane, shiitake mushroom, cauliflower powder, kelp powder, aloe vera powder, and turmeric extract. Napakaganda po ng ating super greens. Okay? So, try that guys. Kung gusto po nyo itry yung Live Good, I suggest to try that. First two products, yung aking favorite products is the Super Greens and the Super Reds. So, kaway-kaway po sa nanonood. Meron po tayong 1 milyong viewer. Okay, please say hi and type in po dun sa ating chat box. Okay, sa ating mga mommies, multivitamins for women, this is really important. Okay, meron po itong lutein and cranberry. Napakaganda po ng ating multivitamin. And with iron. Nakalagay dyan, guys. With iron. Kita ba? Clear ba? Okay, kasi napaganda po ng ating multivitamins. Actually, we have also multivitamins for men. Okay. And for men, Vitality for Men. Napakaganda din po ng ating Vitality for Men. Okay? Para maiwasan po yung problema sa future. Especially, no, sa prostate health. Ito po, guys. Vitality. Okay, men, I will suggest you to take this. No? First two na pwede ninyong inumin. Ito, guys. You will really love it. Okay, men? Nakalagay po dyan. Basahin nyo po. Okay? Ayan. It's actually good for sexual health. Okay? Alright. So, ito po. Multivitamins for kids. Kung mga mommies na naghahanap po ng multivitamins, meron po tayo. It is certified organic. Napakaganda po nito kasi nilagyan po nito ng zinc. No? Zinc is very important for our health. Okay? Especially sa mga kids. No? Ang zinc, napakaganda po yun sa protection po nila, no, sa mga bata. Okay, so we have lots of product, guys. So just take a look. Nandyan po sa ang aking bio. Okay, livegoodmart.com. Take a look sa ating mga products. And ang aking target po, yung ating mga mommies na gusto po magkaroon ng side hustle. Okay, take a look our Live Good opportunity. Click the link here in my live. joingirly.com. Alright, so it's already 7 a.m. so it's time to cook. No, ganito talaga pag buhay mami. Okay, minsan naagang magising pag tayo ay maagang natulog. 6 hours straight, okay na ako dyan. So, kanina nagising po ako ng maaga, kaya nag-live na lang ako, okay? Do marketing, okay? Make use of your time and share your business and do the things that you love. Alright, so that's our message for today. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you on my next live.